they choose not to sabotage the group, I want us to pray that there will be a bond of unity, a bond of love among each and every one of us. Like we see, Obama made it to the White House. It shouldn't end that way. It should not end that way. Pray, lift up your voice. Our children will make it where, oh my God, where we could not get there, we get there. Lift up your voice and pray. That grace, that power that took Obama all the way to the White House. That White House is not only for the white, it belongs to all of us because we are all paying tithe. We pay tax in this country, so it belongs to every one of us. We labored, I'm telling you. Actually, the blacks were the one that built those buildings. I want us to cry to the Lord. Pray for the bond of unity. Cry to the Lord. Pray, beloved. Don't be silent. Don't be silent. Don't be silent. Jehovah Rehoboth, he's still in the business of opening doors. He's still in the business of making rooms. He's still in the business of making ways. But may we never be the reason why we didn't get there. Cry to the Lord. Say, Father, build your bond of unity, your bond of love, your bond of unity, your bond of love, my God. You know, he says something. He looks as if I gave him a copy of my message. My God. He says something that got me crying. He said, even when the black, like me and you, it's not only African Americans, we are all here. And we are all African Americans too. Praise the name of the Lord. When we see a good position, when you get somewhere, you close the door. You don't want another person to enter. Beloved, there's something about my oldest that always tell me. She said, Mommy, the air, the earth and the air is too big for every single bird to fly. There is enough. We are that God that brought us here. Brought us here from. There is enough for every one of us. We cannot enter and close the door for the rest. Obama got to the White House, but I still see him campaigning. I saw him campaigning for Kamala Harris. She's a black woman. He joined the forces. He campaigned for her. That's what we want to be saying. We want to see black people. We want to see among us. You got there, oh my God, and the land is green. You will say, I will not eat alone. Two is better than one because they get a better reward for their labor. The Bible says, they say, if they happen to fall. But when you are alone, it's when you fall. That means your falling is inevitable.